Hi guys, it's Maybe. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Today I'm gonna make some spinach penne Alfredo. I'm starting off with some unsalted butter in a hot saucepan. For my next step, I'm adding in some grated garlic to my butter and some olive oil just so that the butter won't burn. Once my garlic is brown enough to my liking, I add about 2 tablespoons of coconut flour. This is just to thicken my cheese sauce. For my next step, I add an entire box of butterfly evaporated milk. And I just stir to incorporate the garlic and the oil and the butter. As the video progresses, I kept adding cheese. I added regular cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese that amounted to about 4.5 to 5 cups. So you can season your Alfredo sauce with whatever you like. I like to add paprika, cayenne pepper, oregano, parsley, and that's about it. At some points you see me adding in a little bit of milk as is needed. Now I'm just adding my penne pasta and mixing it in to make sure the cheese sauce is evenly distributed. And for my final step, I'm adding in my freshly washed spinach and I just mix it to incorporate.